Hi guys, mayroon tayong green beans today guys. So, kailangan natin siyang i-clean guys para lulutuin natin mamaya. So, ayan guys, tingnan nyo guys. Very fresh. Ayan, so, ayan guys, malinis na siya guys, look. So, ready to cook na guys. So, hugasan muna natin. Lagay muna natin dito sa ating lalagyan. So, thank you for watching guys. Bye-bye.